Good day, ma'am. I am Cadet Pindio, and I will recite the 6 questions. First, what are your feelings and emotions before the thesis proposal? Before the proposal for a thesis, there were several emotions that went through. First, I felt very anxious since I wanted everything to happen correctly. And what might go wrong was being worried over the panelists saying what we had about our work. I kept thinking whether we missed something that mattered much or if our topic is just a little too soft to base on. It is a sort of pressure to please people well, and the possibility of mistaking added worry. At the same time, I was excited because we would be able to present before them a topic that really mattered to us: boarding house living conditions, exploring its impact on academic and emotional well-being among criminous students. I think it is relevant enough to many students, which made me proud to put work into it. There were times when, admit, all the preparations, all the finalizing of the manuscript, practicing the presentation to ensure everything was clear and neat, I felt overwhelmed. However, I keep reminding myself how hard we had worked, and that gave me the urge to push through my doubts and focus on doing my very best. Even though I was being nervous, I view it as an opportunity to grow in the experience. Second, what are your feelings and emotions after your successful thesis proposal? After a proposal for the thesis was successfully completed, I felt a weight lifted off my shoulder, mixed with accomplishment. All that worry and nervous that had built up prior to presentation just disappeared. And above all, I felt proud of our achievement as a group, to know that the panel appreciated and approved of our hard work in research and done topic made it a whole lot sweeter. At the same time, I felt depth sense of gratitude and purpose. One of our group members, who also my closest and best friend, had already passed away. They played a big role in our thesis journey, as they were the one we came up with and decided on our research title, Boarding House Living Condition, exploring its impact on academic and emotional well-being among community students. We dedicated this work to them, and we made sure to give it our all as a way to honor their memory. This made our success even more meaningful, but also bittersweet. We wish they were still with us, celebrating this moment, but their contributions and ideas remain alive in our work, inspiring us to do our best. After the proposal, we were also happy and relieved as to do our best. After the proposal, we were also happy and relieved because the panel only suggested minor revisions to our paper. This showed us that our efforts paid off, and that our work was headed in the right direction. We also thank to the Lord God for guiding us throughout the process, providing us with the strength and support to overcome every challenges. Third, what are your memorable experience with your group mates? The day our friend who was still with us encoded our study paper stands out as one of my favorite group experience. He made us laugh even though he was busy with his work, just to help us forget our tiredness. Another memory that is unforgettable is how we stuck with each other during the most difficult times. It was a heartbreaking moment for all of us when one of our group members, who was also my best friend, passed away. And even in the pain of it all, we came together as a team and decided that our work was now dedicated to them. Their memory and contributions are what we drew upon to push through and give our best, knowing that this was for them also made it incredibly meaningful. I also cherish the little moments we shared, sharing snacks during meetings, laughing at our mistakes, and celebrating small victories. Like when we found out our proposal only needed minor revision. This experience reminded me of the value of teamwork and friendship. Fourth, what are your negative experience with your groupmates? One of the negative experience with my groupmates was when we had disagreements and arguments. There are times when we did not see eye to eye, and the tension grew, especially when we were under pressure to finish parts of the research paper. We sometimes exchanged hurtful words, which made the situation more difficult. It was frustrating because it felt like we weren't getting anywhere, and it added extra stress to an already challenging task. Another challenge was when some members struggled to meet deadlines, which made things more complicated for the rest of the group. This resulted in delays and disrupted the flow of our work. It was irritating at times since we wanted to finish our research paper on time, even though we recognized that everyone had their own commitments. Despite this challenging situation, we managed to resolve our differences and improve our mutual understanding over time. We improve our communication skills and encourage one another to keep going. In the end, this difficult strengthened our bonds as a group and added significance to our accomplishment. 5. As a part of the group, how can you help improve your thesis manuscript? As a part of the group, I can contribute toward improving our thesis manuscript in the following ways. Looking over the content to see that it is understandable, and also to aid in ensuring that movement between sections make sense. Also, I will be looking out for parts that require further information or clarifications. I can also help in organizing and formatting the manuscript according to standards. I can also focus on checking our citations and references while editing for any unnoticed grammar or spelling errors. If we need to do some further research to straighten our arguments or fill in the gaps, I contribute towards that in terms of gathering information. Make the papers as strong as possible, so finding more sources if needed is not a problem for me. Last but not the least, I can also contribute to motivating and cheering up the group, especially at the hard time of this project. We all have to focus and keep moving on. I will keep moving on. I will try my best to help my members along that line. 6. And last, how are you going to evaluate yourself as member of the group? I will give myself as a perfect score on the self-performance evaluation for being a member of the organization of the research group. I consistently maintained my commitment to my priorities and depended on each stage of procedure, contributing to everything, whether it was research, writing or criticizing particular parts of the report was my passion. Every time I look on a task, I made sure to do it on schedule. And I believe there is another important aspect of playing a good role in helping maintain communication within the group. I always try to pay attention to what others have to say and give constructive criticism on how our work can improve through such listening. Even on occasions of misunderstandings or arguments, I always made it a point to stay calm and quickly resolve whatever might cause too much disruptions in moving ahead. Besides being responsible and taking the initiative, I've always tried to do my part in being there for my group mates. Be it some help with tasks or just needing some support during difficult periods, I would always be there to lend a hand. I think that the positive attitude and work ethics I've maintained have contributed to the whole success of the group. It feels like I have been an ideal member of the team, strong, reliable, and collaborative. And I'll take pride in my contributions to our thesis. And that's all. Thank you.